Every single day for lunch, I have a salad. Why? Because it makes me feel better and it's extremely nutritious and it heals my body. So I've got here these are blueberries with cinnamon and flax seeds. Of course, we know blueberries are extremely rich in antioxidants, and flax seeds is an excellent source. It's the best source of omega-3 fats. Just make sure that you grind it right before. And I also have sumac on there. And sumac is a berry, and sumac has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. And here I have chickpeas, which I love them. They're garbanzo beans, same thing. They're a bean, nice protein source. No cholesterol at all on this plate. And I've got nutritional yeast, which also has protein. It kind of has a cheesy flavor. And I have turmeric on there, a spice, and then I've got, let's see what else we have, a little bit of, I think, oregano. So I just put whatever your favorite herbs and spices on. And I've got kale. I don't like kale, so I usually chop it up pretty small. Looks like I didn't chop it up that much today. So I've got my cruciferous vegetable, which you definitely want to eat every day raw. I also have green cabbage, which is another cruciferous vegetable. Now, red cabbage is healthier, but I don't like it. So eat what you like, enjoy, because you don't want to be miserable. And then I've got some red bell pepper, so lots of vegetables on this plate. I've got a fresh herb, cilantro. I love cilantro. I've got some shredded carrot. And then this right here, do you see this? So this is yellow beet. And beets are excellent for opening the arteries because you want good blood flow to get all the nutrients. And especially people who are diabetic or have heart disease, you really want to open up those, blood vessels and arteries to get the blood moving so it's not stagnant. I love apples, the crisp ones, and fresh oranges, and just whatever fruit is in season. Right now, apples and oranges are in season. And then I also have my other super nutritious protein, which is, I know this looks like chicken. It's not chicken. Chicken is very fatty. This is, chicken actually is like 70% fat now. It used to be something like, I'll put the number on the screen. But anyways, I think 2% fat, much lower in fat. So this is tofu, which I air fried with some oregano and chipotle, and then I put a little bit of coconut aminos on there, which is kind of like a soy sauce. So that is my salad, and sometimes I'll add a little balsamic vinegar. I also have some smoked paprika on my tofu. Oh, what's wonderful about tofu is so healthy and incredible. It actually takes the excess estrogen and removes it from your body. So everybody has estrogen, and when we eat like beer or meat, anything that contains hormones, this will help remove some of those excess estrogen. So I just like a balsamic, so I'll put that on the salad. Just a little bit, this is high in carbs and it is processed, so not a lot. I love it, just a little bit. Yum. All right, and that is my very healthy, nutritious lunch, and it fills me up for a couple of hours.